everywhere. Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. We could have any trouble. Be sure to stay in your seats and keep them. Right around the park. Let's have our friend. The worst, bear with me. What could possibly go wrong? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. There they are.
We'll be right down.
Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together.
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. That would finally make it. We've had one crazy round. I'm with you on my side. Let's start with me on mine, and nothing can stop us.
Gosh, what's this lever do?